Hello, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This boat here is fully loaded with just about every option you can possibly get. Starting here on the exterior, we have the full classic navy blue, Sea Ray blue hull side color, all the way down to the bottom with a white stripe. Fiberglass hardtop along with the electric sunshade going back. Twin 300 Mercury V8s, just under 100 engine hours. Full sea deck package throughout the entire boat. Stone interior. This boat always stays fully covered, lift storage, so no bottom paint. Overall in really nice shape. Walking into the boat, you have an expansive cockpit. We do have the removable table that drops in. Full wet bar setup, sink, electric grill with a refrigerator. Moving forward, you have two forward-facing seats, one on the port side, one on the starboard side. Both can seat up to two. This seat does swivel around to expand your cockpit space, which is nice. Fold-down bolster, equipped with all the electronics you can possibly ask for. Mercury joystick, digital throttle and shift, auto trim tabs, spotlight control right there, and then the upgraded Simrad displays, Fusion audio. We have a vacuum flush toilet off to the port side, and then expansive seating up in the bow. Spotlight equipped with the windlass anchor as well. Again, this is a 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax in Stuart. Feel free to give me a call directly at 561-635-6811. Would love to set up a showing or answer any questions you may have. Thank you.